Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah.
BAM! The face you make when you get an awesome product from one of the companies you love so much. On brand beards. What's going on, my bearded brothers, my brethren to the beard? It is I, the Bearded Jester, coming at you live with an awesome unboxing. The company we're going to be unboxing today, if you haven't known, BAM! Barn Brand Beards. Hey, move on this side. Boom! Barn Brand Beards. This company, right off the bat, is starting to be one of my favorite companies of all time. Every time I order from this company, he always surprises me with something. So I literally don't know what's up in this box. I did order a beard butter, an extremely complex beard butter. But the weight of this is telling me there's something else in there. So let me shut my mouth and let's go take a look. Let's open this piece up. Let's look at the box now. Look at this. Look at this guy's branding it everywhere. Barn Brand Beards, Barn Brand Beards, Barn Brand Beards. What does fragile mean? You can't be serious. All right, let's open this up. Oh, sorry, I get so excited. Right off. Oh my God, Tex, you are the man. This right here is the beautiful, awesome butter that I ordered. This is their anxiety butter. There's actually, I think it's like a world record. There's actually 12 different butters up in this piece right here. It comes in a 2-ounce container. Perfect labeling as always. Anxiety butter, you can tell it. You put this up in your beard, your nerves are gonna go from ah to ah. This guy right here, Barn Brand Beards, mad scientist of the bearded world. Like always, my right-hand man Tex put something else up in here. Not only awesome confetti, but some other goodies. See what's awesome in this pouch right here, man. There's something in here. Smells good. Let's see what we got here. Oh snap! Looks like we got some, I think these are soaps or maybe some, yeah, I believe these are soaps. I'm definitely going to try these out. But they're actually in the shape of a mustache. Oh, but that's not it. You are such a good person, man. Oh my God, these bars. These handmade, handcrafted bars from Barn Brand Beards is absolutely amazing. And if I'm not mistaken, I think this is their beer bar. Like it almost has actual. I believe this right here is a hop. If you're a beer lover like I am, beer is consisted of hops. Almost like a beard battered bar. But what's awesome about that company is he does custom make his bars. So if you like a certain scent from that company, he'll actually make it into a bar of soap if you want. Not a lot of companies do that. Oh man, look at this. Ooh, I smelled this before. This is their smoking cocoa. Woo! I love this scent. Ah, that smells great. That smells fantastic. And he uses so much awesome ingredients in here. So many different butters, so many different carrier oils. And he mixes it up to make sense. If I mix more than 2 butters and 3 oils, my head's about to explode. And this guy, the mad scientist he is, just conjures up something beautiful with so many natural and organic ingredients. But that's not it, my bearded brothers. What do we have here? Ooh, we have the dude. Now I do have the oil to the dude, so I'm super pumped that I actually have the balm to this right here. I yet to try their balms. Ooh, that smells fantastic. And like always, his scents are always on point. And woo, we have what looks like Autumn Espresso, coffee infused product, and I love coffee scented products. I really do, especially when they're infused in like real coffee. This is all wrapped up right here. I have to smell this. Who needs a knife? Twist, twist, twist. Oh, My goodness. Tex, you are a master craftsman. You are blessed with a talent I've never seen, and it is beautiful scent. It not only smells amazing, but if you look at it, it is perfect. It looks perfect. And I love that the fact that this company actually fills it up all the way up to the rim. Like there's no space at all or air or anything like that. You're truly getting 2 ounces of product. So you know, if you're ordering from this company, you are getting a full 2-ounce product. Or if you order a 4-ounce product, which I have before, you're actually getting a full 4-ounce product filled up to the top. Sorry, bro. I gotta find out the consistency on this right here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Just look at it. Look at that. Melts with absolute perfection. Oh my God. This might be, and I know this is a bold statement, my bearded brothers, and I usually don't do this. This smells like it will be my favorite coffee scent of all time on earth. Not official just yet. I'm actually probably gonna test this before I test the anxiety butter. Tex, I cannot thank you enough, my bearded brother, for sending me this awesome stuff. You know, it's things like this that makes me love companies like you, man. It's just not because you when I order something, you send a whole bunch of other stuff. Just the communication and the great customer service, the way this company crafts things, it just keeps you guessing, but it constantly comes out with something new every day, every week. Keeps you guessing as well as your beard. I highly suggest you check out this company, Bone Brand Beards. Like I said, this might be my all-time favorite company of this year. Check them out on Instagram, check them out on their website, and yo, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Follow me on Instagram. I'm out of here, my bearded brothers. Oh, I also have to thank my man Tex for sending me this toupee. Thank you, brother.